What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about why I sold my Lamborghini, how Yogi ended up with it. We're also going to show you what my garage looks like now. And finally, we're going to take you to go pick up the new car to add to the garage. So with all that being said, let's jump into it. I've had two big things that a lot of people have asked for on the channel. One is bring back the car content. Two is bring back Yogi. So we figured we'd bring them both back in this video.
Hello, I'm Garrett, also known as Yogi. Chandler is my boss and also my arch nemesis.
We're going to run you through how Yogi picked up this car and how we finagled a really cool deal. We're also going to take you on one last drive in the Lamborghini, and I think you're going to be even more excited about the car that we drive after the Lamborghini. So let's do this thing.
I have a hard time believing that. One thing I will point out, Chandler sold me this car with a popped tire. This thing's leaking. There's a screw in it. That's from this driveway. Maybe. Yeah. There's no way to prove that, but I'm calling it.
Truth be told, Garrett bought this car like over 6 months ago. So
I actually bought this car a year ago. It's been a full year.
Yeah.
It's been a while since we've made one of these videos.
It survived really well with a pop tire.
Yeah, little bird poop. I actually drive it. I actually get it out of the garage once in a while. Now you'll remember that Chandler's plate before said DM me, which I just could not pull off that. So I swapped it out. I've yet to put this on, but look, get a load of that. That's got a good ring to it. The Yogini.
All right.
I think I have a new haircut since last time I was on here.
Okay, let's see what we've got.
Don't imagine these come with a spare.
This is a real, really shows me and Garrett's relationship. All the manly stuff he leaves me to do. Did you find that screw? Look at that.
Yeah, it's bad.
Moments like these where I'm grateful that now Garrett is making the payment on this Lamborghini. And is responsible for any and all expenses.
It sure was nice of you to say you would cover it for us.
No, not true.
Trying to look up the conversion. All these Europeans in their K-bars. Give me some PSI.
All right, now while you're waiting, I know a lot of you are wondering what cars I still have, so let's go inside the garage and we'll take a quick peek. All right, first off, we have the Ford Raptor. This is a 2018, and sadly, we have to put it outside because the garage is full on the inside. Luckily, we're putting up a shop over on this side of the house so that we've got room because we have some new arrivals that I'm pretty excited about. All right, over here you can see there's an open spot. This is because we were a little late to filming, but this is my wife Jess's Jeep. We just got this last year. It's a 4xe, and the only reason we got the electric Jeep is because it only comes in a certain color. That was the one we wanted. So I'll put a picture right here. I was hoping she'd be here, but the Jeep is currently gone. Over here.
Hey, wait, watch this. People are gonna love this.
Okay, my longboard did not love that.
It did. That's what they're meant for.
No, it's
We bought this in Santa Monica my first summer selling. Look at how many longboards Chandler has. Can he power slide? Let's see a power slide.
I need a bigger hill and some gloves.
He can't.
And a helmet and some knee guards.
He's not built for longboarding.
All right, over here we have the TRX. If I'm honest, this is one of my favorites. I daily this all throughout the winter because a lot of the other cars don't do super great in the snow. So this is kind of my main go-to for the winter. If we come over here, there is, I wanted to bring it over. Maybe we'll see if we can drop by later in the video. But I also own a 911 Carrera TS. I am forgetting. It's an older one that I keep over at my dad's shop because
Rumor has it your dad is more of the owner of that car.
Technically, we're 50-50. My dad called me and said,
Never
you
seen
need this
Chandler
car.
drive it.
And so I paid for half of it. But yeah, he drives it. All right, over here, we got this Suburban last year. We really should have washed these cars before we did this video. I apologize. This is the car I drive more than any other car with all of the kids in it. And I'll also include some footage, though. We found a way to jimmy rig the Jeep and put in some back seats, so we also can fit all 5 of our kids safely in there, which has been really fun. This is my favorite car as of right now. All summer, this is what I drive. It's the Porsche Taycan. I love this car because it handles like a Porsche. It's extremely fast, but being electric, it has no sound. So you can get away with going a little faster than maybe you should, which I really enjoy. It also has just been a lot of fun. And then we have 2 new cars coming. The one I think you guys are really going to be, well, I don't know what you'll really be excited about. I'm really excited about the one we're gonna film in the next video, but I'm also really excited about the one we're gonna pick up today. And we better get there and so that you can see it.
The suspense is killing me.
All right, I know a lot of you are wondering how we put the deal together with me and Garrett. We've been best friends forever, so there's a high level of trust. And so when we figured out this deal, I was in the process of buying my cabin. Garrett was my realtor and agreed to give me all of the commission. So we gave him a large discount on the car so that he could just take over what I still owed on the car.
I don't think that's illegal, but we should make sure first.
Well, the details we're still working out with our accountant. However we end up doing it, I guess what I should say is Garrett's been making the payments on the car. We're both on the insurance. I still technically own the car. And once we figure out the proper way that will be good for taxes and everything else, we will switch ownership. It's probably going to be some hybrid structure of like a lease to own or subject to or something like that. We know what we've agreed upon, and honestly, I don't suggest doing business this way with anyone else other than your best friend. But it worked out great for me because I got a $50,000 kickback almost on the cabin that I bought. Garrett got a Lamborghini, and I still don't feel like I've claimed the $100,000 loss that I took on the car. So
well, the best part of this whole deal, all right, is Chandler has a 2.5% interest rate.
Yeah.
If I went and financed the car today, it would cost me an additional $10,000 a year in interest, almost $1,000 a month more in interest. But he got killer financing when rates were so low, and it just, for me, it made a ton of sense. And I've always liked this car. I think I'm kind of the one who originally talked Chandler into buying it. So maybe there's some chestnut checkers there. Little chestnut checkers.
Also, with the car, we have talked to our accountants, and we're thinking setting it up as like a lease to own until the car is paid off is going to be most beneficial so that Garrett can take the payments on his taxes, and it somehow is going to be somewhat beneficial to me on my taxes. So I think that's how we're going to end up structuring it. We got to figure it out in the next month or two because we've extended our taxes, and then we'll figure out exactly how it's structured then. So there you go. All right, we are about to have a shoot off for the car.
Hey, let's make a deal. I'm serious on this. If I win, $12,500.
No. We already agreed. We're
no balls.
No balls. Okay.
12, hey,
just for fun.
This guy
just
is
for
scared. Come on.
Ready?
Hey, no, this is viral. People do this all the time.
You already got the viral part.
12,300.
We're good.
11,700.
No, let's go.
Scared money don't make money.
Come on.
No, I'm not doing it.
I don't need to gamble. Okay, we don't have to play. Let's go look at the car.
I'm standing on business. 12,300 or 11,700. It's a $300 bet.
Okay.
First to,
but how is he going to keep track?
It's first to 20 baskets.
Okay, you just count them out. 20.
First to 20.
All right.
20 baskets.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. I'm at 6.
4.
Hey, he's stealing all the balls. 7, 8.
Shoot!
9, 10, 11.
Gosh. 7.
12.
8.
14.
You're taking all the balls. This is rigged. It's a freaking rigged system.
16. 17.
Dude, I need balls! This is a damn joke! 16! 17?
19, 20.
Oh my god. You're a cheater.
Little does Chandler know, I spend about 30 minutes a day shooting. I've been training for that. I've been training for this moment.
Oh, man. All right, let's go look at the car.
The price just went up.
So Garrett
Wait,
started
we
a
need
little
to
side business importing these vehicles from Japan. And he took me for a little spin that, oh yeah, we gotta lower the price now. Garrett had agreed to $12,500, but now it just went down to $12,300 because he won.
I gave him a deal the other day because I'm a friend, but now I raised it right back up. 12.3, baby.
12,300 and a steak. Cool,
Fresh,
cool.
imported.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Right before the Trump tariffs. This thing's probably going to double in price.
So this was a fire truck in Japan?
Yeah, so this obviously looks bad. They have to get rid of like the fire truck official, like Japanese, I don't know, whatever, before they can sell it or export it. So
I wanted something to bring up to the cabin because we're going to be doing some events this year for real estate investors, and we needed a fancy vehicle to cart stuff up and down from the lake to the cabin. So if you come to the event or you're interested, hit me up on Instagram. We've only got 40 spots at the event. We filled them really quick last year and we're really excited about it. So this should add to the fun up there.
perhaps the best part of this, it has a working PA system. You can heckle people, you can ask them to speed up or slow down.
That's a quick way to end up in jail. There's a cop around here.
It's a right-sided driver and it is stick, so kind of cool.
It also is hard when you have a right-sided driver on the right side of the road because you end up driving down the middle of the road.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, let's take it for a spin.
Hey,
What is
let me remind you. It has these. This is the CDS rental mobile.
It's so weird driving stick on the wrong side.
That is what she said. That needs to make the video. They are old. Probably need some warming up. These are 25 years old.
How many miles is on it?
You can see it's super low miles.
Wow.
13,000 kilometers.
All
So
right.
it's got like 6,000 miles on it. 7,000 miles.
Really giving it extra gas on this clutch here.
Let's go.
Super embarrassing to stall it.
We're taking this to the country club today.
Okay. All right, let's see what this thing's got.
Going into second gear. Chandler Smith. Third gear. We're not sure how fast he's going because it's all in kilometers. The world needs to get on the American U.S. system.
Oh, here. Hey, let's go. Say hi to these people, G.
These guys look like the kind of guys I don't know if I want to.
What do you got for them?
Let's race for pink slips. They did not look thrilled about that. What should I say to this guy?
Which guy?
I am excited to come get a massage. Sure.
Why? No one is finding much humor in this.
People the other day really thought it was funny. I swear. Should we act like we're pulling these guys over?
No. That's a quick way to end up in jail. There's a cop around here. Oh no.
You better go straight, buddy. Oh, we busted her.
You can't do that.
Gotcha.
Oh, you're a terrible person.
I am just the passenger. I cannot be held liable.
Oh gosh. This is a bad idea. I want to return it.
Did we fail to mention all sales are final? Pretty spunky. I tried to get you to change my tire and you said no. Gentlemen, we appreciate you. Gotta throw some nice ones in there too. Bring back the good karma.
I keep going to signal, but the signal's on the other side, so it just turns on the windshield
that
wipers.
happened to me the other day. Hello, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for being a good community member. I almost gave that lady your hair is a weird shade of blue. I decided against it.
Oh gosh. We're gonna end up pulled over. We gotta take the mic away.
Good thing your father is a lawyer.
Whew, I'm sweating. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to remember to like, subscribe, and we are going to have
the follow button.
and we are going to have a really exciting video coming up about another car that I think you'll probably be more excited about than this one. So
I don't know. It's pretty hard to beat this. I mean, look at this. Look at this.
Thanks, guys. Have a good day.